going on YouTube? Markel here, back with another video. Hopefully everyone is doing well today. Okay, first 48 hours with this thing, what are my thoughts? Okay, first I will start out by saying this. There is absolutely nothing wrong with my M1. If you still have the M1 and it's working great for you, there's really no need to upgrade unless you have the money you can spend. It's not gonna put you in a financial bind, or you just want the latest tech that's out there, right? But the M1 is great. I'm gonna give it to someone, the one that I have, next week, so they can enjoy it while I have this new one. But cellular was the #1 reason why I upgraded, because I'm someone that takes this out and go to different places, and I didn't want to be on public Wi-Fi. I would rather have, the hotspot from the phone, but that was killing the battery on my phone. Constantly have to charge my phone. So I went ahead with the cellular version, which is why I picked up the new one. But I will say a few key things that I noticed right away when using this in the first 48 hours. The first one is the keyboard. This keyboard, the travel on this is much better to me than the original. This feels more like my MacBook Pro, to be quite honest with you. That's how much better this keyboard travel feels to me compared to the original, because there are always going to be improvements, you hope, when they make another iteration of that device. And the keyboards for sure, along with the function row here at the top, where now I don't have to swipe down in order to do the brightness or the volume, or to hit to do voice commands. All of that is up here, and you have an escape button as well up here at the top. So the addition of the function row is much appreciated, okay? The second thing that really caught my attention was the screen. When you're looking at them side by side, I get it. But if you're only looking at it from the M1, like if you're watching this video from the M1 is great. The mini LEDs on that is great, and you really won't get an understanding of the difference unless you go into an Apple store or a store that has it and you can see a side-by-side comparison. Then you get why they say this is a better screen. But the M1 screen is still a great screen. I don't want to get that twisted. But this, when you look at them side by side, yes, this is a much better screen, okay? Power, obviously, I did a render of a video on here comparing it to my M1, and yes, it is faster. Is it significantly faster to where I would say, oh yeah, you got to rush out and get this? No, but it is faster, okay? Apps do come up faster, doing little things here and there. You see how much quicker it does respond. So, if speed is your thing, yeah, the newest one is going to be faster, okay? And last but not least, the pencil, okay? The hover mode, the way that you can double tap to bring it back, the fact that it has Find Mine now, where you can actually locate it. If you misplace it, you can find it. So there are little things about this pencil that work great, and I definitely appreciate it. And I'll be doing some demonstrations of how I use the pencil. So I'm a retiree, guys, that uses YouTube as a hobby, a hobby. And I don't do any type of professional work. This is just a hobby for me. I do love my Apple products, and I do have some Android products, but I do have far more Apple products than anything else. And this is a great purchase for me. I have zero complaints after 48 hours with this. I had no complaints with my M1. It's just that I wanted to upgrade for the cellular. And I'm going to employ this one more time. If you've never had a cellular iPad, once you get one, you will never go back to the standard iPad again, because you will always be able to use your own data to do whatever you want to do here without searching, looking for a public Wi-Fi. You don't want to hook up to the hotel's Wi-Fi. You'll have your own. And I'm telling you, anybody who's ever gotten the cellular version will no longer go back to the regular version. They're always going to get a cellular version. All right. But after 48 hours, those are the things that I immediately noticed. The keyboard, the screen, the power being much faster, and the pencil much better overall. Okay. I did get the space gray black color. And this thing is super thin. compared to my M1, and you don't really notice it until you see them side by side. And this thing is super thin, super light. It did, to me, shave off a little weight from the M1 that I had. But other than that though, guys, if you're happy with your M1, I'm not gonna tell you to go ahead and rush out and get this. You know, if you're happy with your M1, because again, there was nothing wrong with the M1 that I had. It's just cellular. Okay guys, so that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.